Okay, Miss Laura, here is a quick video I'm making for you. The information you were looking for, the padding used inside the boxing gloves. There are mainly two types of boxing padding used from the old ages till now. Uh, One is using horsehair, like we make outer shell from leather and we fill it by with the horsehair. The other type is the foam or the mixing many type of foams. So these are the two types actually being used from all the time. Two types of padding commonly used in boxing gloves are horsehair padding, foam padding, or a mix of both. Foam padding gloves used latex, PVC foam with the shock absorber. Horsehair gloves last longer than foam padding gloves and environmentally friendly but are less protectively. I give you one by one. This foam, see, this is called a ringside foam or the Adidas model foam or the IMF foam. This is also called machine made padding in manufacturing company. This is like near 2 inches here with super jump. This is good for all around training, for the kids gloves, for the bag work. This is less price, actually this is less price, use this padding in less price gloves. You can easily buy the gloves, you can easily buy from market is mostly use this kind of foam. The other style, this style is called the Mexican style of foam. It is about 1 inch thick outer part and the half-inch thick is inner part of foam. This cut from the one piece latex sheet and inner part is half-inch thick just to give shape to the padding. See, this is these both are big sheets like 4 feet by 6 feet both, and we stick together, and this is a piece of foam. Here we have another piece of this material to just give the shape here. Only drawback in this kind of padding that this thumb is not in shape like this, but this is a small drawback. People just ignore this. Almost all the Mexican brands are being used this kind of foam because this is easy to make. In this kind of padding, only minor drawback is the thumb shape, which is not sitting properly in shape. But this is just a small drawback. So this is not provide a lot of protection from the thumb area only. This like by people who want powerful punching. Outer shell is this is a latex or sometime we call this rubber in injected foam. The inner part, this one is called underlay sheet. The third one is layer padding. This is more real professional padding. In this style of padding, this one, see, This is real professional padding. In this outer shell is a latex rubber injected sheet. Then we have one inner layer EVA foam about half inch, and then we have a layer of medicated foam. The special in this padding is all the layers cut separately one by one, then glued to each other while giving shape, cover to main part and thumb part. See, just this one, two, three, four, five, all are cut separately, and then we glue to each other. The special in this kind of padding, this is the padding we are using in most of professional gloves, in all of your boxing gloves. In this part, the cuff area is permanently connected with the main part of padding, so it give a very good support to your rest. This area. So if you have any other question, you can ask us. But these are the mainly three types of padding we are using in most of boxing gloves. If someone ask any customer ask for special requirement, then we can make that kind of layer padding as well. Like if a person said he only wants padding gloves, or he want bag gloves for the bag work, or he want for the fighting gloves, so our padding is all purpose padding. But if we want a very special, then we can make separately for him also.